crafting journey here, that journey chick on Instagram. I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing. Now this came with another 2 Diamond Art Clubs that were in a larger cardboard box, and I've already taken off the cellophane. And yes, it's square. You can tell by the square label here and the square label here. If it were round, I would have round diamonds. Anyway, this has the 6 steps to diamond painting, everything that's contained in your package, and a barcode so you can get 10% off your next purchase. Yay! All right, I took the cellophane off already. Let's see what we got here. It's short, but I think it's wide, this painting. All right, here's our toolkit. This is your normal Diamond Art Club toolkit. It comes in a branded bag. It says, "Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club." It contains 2 pieces of heart wax, a pen with a squishy, a very sharp set of tweezers, and some baggies. Generally, I don't use baggies. I don't work out of baggies, but you can if you want. I don't know if there's enough in here for all the colors, but it's really more geared towards kitting down and your leftover diamonds if you save them. And I do, but I don't save them in baggies. But anyway, they're there if you would like to use them. And it also has a thin 4-placer in here. Nice toolkit. And might I add that if you are buying this kit or a kit for the first time, everything you need to diamond paint comes in this toolkit. If you don't have fancy pens or fancy trays, this has everything you need until you can get the fancy stuff. It also comes with a label that you can put on the box. I have all my boxes stacked up over here. I don't put the label on here. You can use this in maybe a journal of where you started. I could put it in my planner. It would fit perfectly as a sticker in my planner. Just put it here, what day you started, what day you finished. Let's open it. Let's get to the heart of the matter, shall we? All right, outer plastic also says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Now, this is a patented tourmaline canvas. Really, really soft. It has these serrated edges to prevent fraying, and I just love that. Oh my goodness. So let's see if we can get the diamonds out. So it has this little booklet. In the little booklet, it has a note from Angie, the owner, thanking you. It has tips and tricks. Again, the steps to diamond painting, and another coupon. This is what for 10% off your next purchase. They want you to make another purchase, you think? Then we have the inventory sheet. I love it. I love it. 44 colors in this painting. It has a picture of the painting. This painting is a Deborah Malcolm painting. And I will show you up close what the painting looks like. I think it goes, which way does it go? This way. Now you know which one I got. It is called Midnight by Deborah Malcolm. Now this is also a sticker. Here's your inventory here. Each set of numbers, each number is a separate tab, and you can just peel them one at a time and put them on your storage containers. This I put on top of my storage container, or again, you could put this in a diamond painting logbook if you're keeping one, because it has start date, end date. It has the diamond shaped square. It has the SKU number for the painting. It has the size 84 by 51. Ooh boy. Okay. So let's get into it. Here's the diamonds. Look, it's called Midnight. All dark diamonds. Dark, dark, dark. Lots of dark blues, light blues. It does have some ABs. This right here is the AB. 138. Oh my gosh. Are there any other ABs in it? Or is just the one? No, there's 101, 126, 138. and 141. Oh my goodness, we got lots of ABs in here. We'll take a look at those in a minute. Oh my. So one is a lavender, another blue, and a white. 4 ABs. All right, we're gonna roll this backwards. You can always do this glue side even as you're diamond painting it. If it's too big for your surface that you're working on, you can just roll it up, diamonds outwards. And it has this wonderful schematic, whatever you call it. I call it a schematic. It's on the lower right and the upper left. And I will show you up close all of the symbols. Yep. All right, I don't know if you're going to be able to see the entire thing. Here it is. It's gorgeous. Look at that moon. Oh my God, the tree, the moon, the water, the stars at night. I can see a lot of AB opportunity here. I really can. Oh my word. Everywhere where you see like the twinkles in the sky, those are ABs. So all that's going to be AB. Love the cloud cover there. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Over the water. And this is not a huge painting. It really isn't. It actually does fit on my drafting table. So cool. I'm going to give you a close-up of the drill field so you can see some of how clear the symbols are. You can see those stars at night. Now, some air did get in here, which just kind of displaces the glue. It's not really gonna harm your painting. And I will tell you, Diamond Art Club, they have that lovely, sparkly, glittery canvas, which we all love. And of course, it's very sticky. Let's take a look at the drills real quick. I hate to take them out of here because I can never get them back the way they came. So I will try to show you. Yeah, we'll take them out. So like I said, this is the first of the ABs. That is 138. That is number 1. No, it's number 2. Where do we have number 2s? Down here under the trees. Right, let me show you. The 2s are kind of scattered in here, scattered over under here, under the tree. Oh, really pretty. Also, all down in the water where you see the reflection of the moon. That's going to be ABs. How beautiful is that? Then we have they like to hide them from us. Okay, we have this lavender AB here. That is number 3. That is surrounding the moon. I'll show you. It's all everywhere where you, I can't reach it. Everywhere where you see like the tree branches and the shadow of the moon, there's that lavender AB. That's going to be really pretty. And then we have a smattering of white. You don't get a lot of that one. It's 141. You just get a little bit of the 141. And somewhere here, is another blue. I just have to find it. And I will show you these up close. These, I found it. It's these blues right here. This blue. And I will take a photo of that. So pretty. Really pretty. So guys, that's it. That is Midnight by Deborah Malcolm, offered by Diamond Art Club. Check it out, especially if you have a discount. I bought these buy one, get one half off over Labor Day that they had. So good deal, great deal. They don't do that a lot. So check it out when they do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.